connectorizing package that you receive, and open it up, and as you open it up you will notice that it is numbered in sequence. An arrow starting it off in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sequence that you will put the connector together in. You take the fiber optic cable that you received from Tenvera. The first piece labeled number 1 is a black boot. You slide it through as so. Let it drop down. Number 2, as labeled in the packet. Slide it through as so. Take your black boot, bring it together, and you will push until click and full connection.
Perfect.
Step 3 is the spring. You slide the spring fiber through the spring as so. Step 4 is the actual crimping mechanism.
Yeah.
If you notice inside there's there's 2 tan blocks.
Perfect.
And those are what are connected together. Notice the notch in the silver part of the ferrule that I mentioned earlier. That notch will go in the last half of the tan clips that are inside the black tool. Put that in there.
Before you close it up.
There you go.
And as it is in the latter part, you squeeze the black together as so. And by doing so, that squeezes together the tan plastic piece onto the ferrule. And after doing that, step 5 is a smaller looking black boot. And if you notice, the smaller looking black boot has a slit all the way down through so. Purpose being so you can slide it onto the fiber behind the tan plastic connector that you just crimped on, and that black smaller boot actually slides down inside the spring as so. Final step, blue connector, part 6 in your packet. You notice there is a small hole inside the end of the blue piece. Sometimes it is required a paper clip or a pin or so to clean out the end of that hole to sort of wallow it out so the end of the ferrule will slide up through there. Take so, push it through, and then it pops through just like that. So then the last step, pushing together and clipping. Final piece, no tools required, hands only, following the directions that are listed on the packet provided by Tenvera. Thank you.